Thank you all, from American Cleaning Service in Lake City, Colorado, for making us the #1 service. We shall continue to keep providing you with the same service you like. We have now grown to 4 locations and soon going on to the 5th to serve you even better. It is all because you love the work of our associates and our software provider, PnaPnacleaning. PnaPna provides us free leads and customer relations management software that makes us grow faster and manage our business better. We are listed in the marketplace that lets you find us quickly in the search results. This software lets us create invoice on the fly, track our associates on the move, and collect payments on site. Please look for a coupon in your email, created by PnaPnacleaning software. Thank you again, Lake City, Colorado.